everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So today this video is gonna be pretty exciting for me because I am actually in Georgia visiting my family and friends. Currently I'm sitting on the floor at my sister's place and I just did this makeup look. This is my everyday heat-proof and kind of waterproof makeup look, just because it's super hot here. It's 35 or higher here, so I mean Celsius, so it's kind of important to wear makeup which won't melt off on your face, and don't wear too much makeup. That's important as well. So yeah, I just want to show you how I do my makeup every day, and if you want to see it, please keep on watching. I'm gonna go shopping today, see some friends, so I thought I would just start with getting ready. It's early in the morning right now, and yeah, it's pretty early. It's like 10:30, early for me because we wake up pretty late here in Georgia. I'm just gonna get ready and show you what kind of makeup I do when I'm on my vacation. And this is gonna be kind of like a heat-proof makeup as well because it's super hot here. I don't know what's the temperature today. I think it is, let me check. Yeah, it's like 35 degrees right now and it's not even afternoon, so it gets pretty hot later in the day. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup as little as possible because when it's too hot, I love to have a little bit makeup on to still look presentable, but not like I'm wearing too much makeup. So I'm just gonna start priming my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is like a moisturizer and primer in one. And I bought this a few months ago and I've been loving this. This is a small size, but I really like it. It looked that way because my mom and my sister are sitting there and listening to me. So, but they're good, they're quiet. I like this primer because again, I'm so dry. It's not as dry here as in Canada, but still I feel pretty dry and the heat makes me, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. I don't know anymore. Okay, the face is primed. Next, what I'm gonna use is gonna be my By Terry color control. This is like a CC cream for darkest skin tones, and I love using this because it makes my skin look little tan, and kind of matches my body because I am kind of tan on my body, but I don't tan my face that much. I always wear SPF on my face, like high SPF, so I don't really get much tan on my face. So I'm just gonna use this, shake it well. I love this CC serum, it's amazing. And it makes me feel so nice, and especially in the morning it smells like a black tea and it wakes me up. As you can see, it's pretty dark, but once you blend it in, it goes away. It gives you just a beautiful glow. I've been using this like every day in Georgia. It's like the lightest, nicest thing ever. It doesn't have any coverage at all. It does not cover anything at all, like literally nothing. But yeah, and it smells so nice. My skin been acting out like weird after I got here. Like I have way more redness here than I do usually. And then I would love to use my Dr.Brant Pores No More just on my T-zone because this is kind of like a shine and oil control. Well, I don't have that much like oils coming out throughout the day, but it's pretty hot here and it kind of holds my sweat in, I feel like, and it fills my pores in, so that's a bonus. Next, just because I have so much redness here, I just want to try to cover it just a little bit. I'm gonna use my Lumi True Match foundation from L'Oreal. It's super light, and yeah, I love using light foundation again. And I'm dotting like tiny little bit because I do not need much. I don't want to wear too much makeup on my face, so I'm just gonna buff this in and cover this little bit of redness here. This foundation is like a medium coverage. It does not have much coverage, but it's enough for summer days like this. I have a mirror down here, that's why I've been staring at it. As you can see, my redness is still showing right here, but it's okay. I don't mind that. This is Pixie by Petra a multi-balm, so you can use this as a blush or as a lipstick, and I have never used this color and I wouldn't use this. I have quite a few different colors and I've been using them because it's so easy and good to wear summertime. I love using cream products summertime. so it gave me a little bit of color on my face. And this is when I go and use my Hourglass finishing powder as a setting powder, because I don't want to put too much powders on my face. I just want a light coverage, just like this. I'm sweating right now, like I can feel it. It's so hot and my voice is gone. That's why I sound so weird. I don't know what I've been doing, but you know, when you travel your voice just changes, and I've been like this for a while now. It has been one full week after I got here in Georgia, and I have 2 more weeks left, so I'm pretty excited. It has been so much fun because I've been seeing my friends and family, and it's amazing. So yeah, after setting my face with the powder, I brought my Tarte 30th Pro Glow to Go palette with me on this trip, because I didn't want to carry too many products. But this is pretty good for like traveling. It has highlighters and the perfect contour shade for me. I'm just gonna contour with this slightly, and you know what? It's impressive how like I put this on in the morning and this lasts me all day. I come home and I wash my face and the contour, it's still on. We're planning to go to Batumi, and that's the city over a Black Sea coast, so I'm sure it'll be fun. We're planning it. We just got an apartment there, or a house. I'm not sure actually. I think, is it a house? Like we rent the whole place so we can like all of us can go together, like my family, and stay there for a few days. And we wanted to try to find something really close to the ocean, so we'll be close to the beach. I'm gonna be vlogging there for sure. It's a beautiful, beautiful city, so I'm sure there'll be lots to film there. The only thing I'm gonna be doing with my eyes is gonna be eyeliner, just because I love wearing eyeliner, but I'm just not gonna go with like my regular black eyeliner. I'm just gonna use this Estee Lauder Double Wear Same Place eye pencil in blue. I mean, it's 06. That's the color number, I guess, I don't know, but it's the dark blue, navy blue color. I've been loving this for like summertime. It is a beautiful blue. Looks good with the brown eyes, I think. Yeah, one thing I really like to do on my eyes, especially when I go out and I'm gonna have a long day, I'm gonna see some friends at the end of the day, and I'm gonna be shopping during the day. Also on those kind of days, I just love using my eyeliner, just because that's something I never skip unless I'm doing nothing all day. So I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner, do a little wing, and I'll be back. So this is eyeliner done. It's not even, but whatever, it's good enough. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna be using my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in color, what color are you? Brunette. This is the pencil. This is how it looks. It has a spoolie on one end and then a pencil on the other end. It's gonna fill up like right here, and that's it. I don't do anything else on my brows. I'll be back in a second. And to set my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set. It's the same thing, I think. Same name, so I guess it's from the same line from L'Oreal. So eyebrows are done, and I'm just gonna move on my face again. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush on top of the cream blush, because I feel like it kind of faded away. And I'm gonna just use this Becca palette right here. I have lots of different colors in this. Just gonna use this blush right here. Blush name is Winterberry. Becca might have this in a separate pan, but I'm not sure. This is the palette I bought for Christmas, I think. Yeah, I think it was Christmas, I'm not sure. I think it was limited edition, so I'm not sure if they still sell it. But I'm pretty sure they have those colors in separate pans for like sale. On tan skin, I love dark blushes. Like, I don't usually use colors like this wintertime, just summertime, it's beautiful. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and apply this blush just a little bit in my eyes, right here, just on top of my crease. Oh, I just curled my eyelashes, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear any mascara today. Maybe just a little bit, I'm not sure. Maybe just a little bit, yeah. Let's put a little bit of mascara. I have my L'Oreal Lush Paradise mascara right here. It's a new one, but I'm just gonna apply a tiny little bit, not much. Mascara is done. Mascara takes me the longest in my makeup. That might be the reason why I don't do mascara, because I just don't like wasting too much time on my makeup. especially summertime when it stays hot. I'm just gonna grab my Huda Beauty lip contour in Trophy Wife. This has been my go-to because it's kind of waterproof, sweat-proof, just an amazing lip liner. It's soft and beautiful and the color is just perfect for me. So I just filled in my lips with lip liner, and I'm gonna go over top of it with liquid lip from Huda Beauty in the same color, Trophy Wife. I got mini size here. It's easy to travel with, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. I love wearing liquid lips. It's summer and it's not as dry as in Canada here, so yeah, I've been okay with liquid lips because I am actually not able to do liquid lips when I'm in Canada because my lips just freak out. I don't know, it's like a horror story. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter on high ends of my cheeks. So I'm just gonna take my Hourglass palette here. It's pretty dirty. I'm just gonna mix all these three colors here. My favorite one is this gold one in the middle. This is pretty fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go all over my face with this. My face is done. I have nothing left to do. I'm just gonna set my face before I leave, and yeah, that's it. This is what I do when it's too hot outside and I don't want to wear too much makeup. For some, this might be too much makeup, but for me, this is just perfect. And there are some days when I don't do this and I don't wear this much makeup. But today, again, I'm going out and I want to be looking presentable, and I'm gonna be meeting my friends I have not met for like 2 or 3 years almost. So yeah, I just want to look good for them, and I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!